Hi, this is Knex Guy 12, and this is my Knex fmg9. It was actually built by Soul Killer, but I did some modifications over here. It used to be a wall like this, and you had to like put your finger down here to cock it back. But I broke the wall and I made something that slides back. It makes it easier, but it makes it a bit weaker. So it has a folding trigger mechanism and everything. And my mod's not too good because it makes it weaker. Here's how it looks once it's folded up. And one thing that Soul Killer didn't have is this that I made. Whenever you pull this back and you have too many rubber bands on, and you pull the thing back on the bottom, the handle tends to go forward. So if you put this little lock on, if you put the lock in, it'll just stay in the same spot and it won't move around. So if you want to build that, really simple. That's all. Only one bad part is whenever you fold it and push it back, you have to pull out the trigger from over here to have the trigger mechanism work. It has a pretty good trigger. Whenever you have too many rubber bands, it's really tough to fire. If you want to get instructions on this, just go to knexinnovation.com and it will show all these cool stuff. Like they sort them out by like weapons and cars and structures and models and stuff. That's where I got my other gun. Okay, that's it. Bye.